Challenger partners, it's Justin, aka the Earbuds Collector, here for another low budget review on some low budget earbuds. And oh look, I found these in the clearance aisle. So these are the SkullCandy Chops hanger buds, and these were super cheap when I got them, around $5 for it. In fact, so here they are in all their tightly plastic covered glory. And this is a bit different, in fact, from some of the other models I've reviewed here. This isn't an in-ear design. In fact, it's being held by the hanger pieces here. It's called the hanger buds. This is common with a lot of earbuds designs for sports. The Bose Sound Sports have a modified version of this design. The very expensive Jaybird Sports earbuds have this design. And it really helps you keep your earbuds in your ears while you're jogging, running, screaming, whatever else you may be doing. These buds here have an average impedance of 30 ohms, which is markedly different than some of the other earbuds I've done here, and has an average sound pressure of around 111 decibels. So the driver units are 13.5 millimeters wide each, which is usually wider than what I review, and the whole package weighs a whopping 17 grams. So a different thing than most of the earbuds I've reviewed so far, because these you'll notice, are not the in-ear design, but still I'm looking forward to trying them out. So here's what they look like fresh out of the box. There's this rubbery feeling that you always get with like all the SkullCandy stuff, and you'll notice an interesting trend with SkullCandy. So they have the instructions here, the usual instructions. That's great. The thing you'll notice with SkullCandy a lot of the time is, as you go towards more and more expensive earbuds, their models aren't that expensive, but as you get more and more expensive, the wire will become sturdier and sturdier. So now right here we have the circular wire. A lot of SkullCandy earbuds these days, at least, have the they have a flat wire. Not sure if this model here does, but these are designed for sports. You can see these chop buds here. I'm not gonna lie, this is a little bit different feeling than I was expecting. You know, I don't know. I just, for such a low price, I was just expecting a little bit more. So I think the only thing left to do here is give them a listen. So here we go. Yeah, so that was miserable. It's a cleaner sound. It's a little more realistic than some of the other SkullCandies. I think this is also another thing that they do. I think the whole reason is that they don't block out outside noise. So if you're running along or something like that, there's a car coming, you can definitely hear the car coming. It doesn't block out background noise practically at all. Getting these on was hell with glasses, and I just sucked at it. I never liked this design. I was never really a big fan of it. But you know, life is life. If you like these, you like these. I guess it's just a hater love relationship. So anyways, guys, that's it for today's video. If you're interested in the SkullCandy Chops hanger buds, I'll leave a link in the description if you want to buy them. And just to reiterate, once we hit 100 subscribers, a giveaway is imminent. So hit that sub button, but definitely comment. I love comments. I live for comments. I love interacting with people anonymously on the internet. So fare thee well, and I'll see you in the next video.